Hi everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you late on this Thursday afternoon. It's about 4:30. That's the time we are recording this because we have a storm coming. The computer models are an interesting bunch. Mark, don't use the computer model so much. Use your own judgment. That's what I'm going to do. Anyway, I just looked at the latest damn computer model. It's a little more scary. We're going to talk about that. And we have a couple of storms coming, and the cold is going to be involved as well. So lots of things happening in the weather department if you like winter weather. If you don't, I'm going to give you time to leave the room. Okay, let's do this. Here we go. Weather headline time, and here's the situation. Winter is definitely coming, but a nice Friday to be had with sun and clouds. Snow's going to break out Saturday afternoon. It may or may not change or mix along the coast to rain and sleet. I'm still working on that. A stormy Tuesday, although again the models don't agree. Some of the models bring in snow to rain. Latest European model says, no, no, no. I'm going to wait till late Tuesday and Wednesday and then give you a snowstorm. So we're having fun here. Anyway, all right, let's get into it. I want to show you the latest satellite loop. You see some clouds approaching New England from the west right now, but the real storm clouds with the cold frontal zone lie south of New England from the mid-Atlantic all the way down into Texas, where there's a large area of rain and snow. I want to show you exactly where that is right now. And you'll be able to see snow showers back through the mountains of Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont. Certainly great news for your skiers. A wide area of snow showers back through New York State and steady snow falling in Ohio and Pennsylvania back to the Great Lakes. But our storm situation is being caused by an area of rain from Cape Hatteras down to Atlanta and through Mississippi, where the yellows represent some thunderstorms. Back into Texas, you see actually snow falling in western Texas right now in New Mexico. That's all going to get involved. So let's jump ahead here. This is off the NAM computer model. I just saw this about a half hour ago. 4 o'clock Saturday afternoon, one breakaway low is well south of Nantucket at that point. Should be snowing in Boston. There's another storm developing east of Cape Hatteras. They're suggesting that the second storm takes over the main circulation. So as we jump ahead to about 10 o'clock Saturday night, we have an intensifying gale center, if you will, south of Nantucket. Now, the ocean temperatures are running in the upper 40s. If you turn the wind more east than northeast, you're going to start to have low-level problems here, boundary issues, as we call them in the weather department. And snow along the coast may change or mix to sleet and rain, certainly from Boston to Cape Cod. I think the Cape is going to go to rain based on the fact that the NAM is going to be right. If the NAM is too intense and the storm is weaker and further east, we're going to stay all snow. So we need another day to really fine-tune this. But a storm is coming, and I am certain of this. Behind the storm, Saturday night and Sunday, a cold surge will follow. So basically, here's what we're talking about in terms of snowfall. In this, I'm not married to this map. I'm thinking at least an inch or two of snow from Plymouth to Cape Cod, then perhaps changing to rain. 2 to 5 inches of snow in Boston, perhaps a mix or change to rain, then back to snow before the storm ends Saturday night. And basically just north and west of 128 north out to 495 and beyond, 3 to 6 inches seems like a pretty good bet. But I am not married to this forecast. This is my first shot of this. It's a changing situation. I'm just being honest. Overnight, clear and cold. It'll be 18 to 25. Here's your 5-day forecast. Starting with tomorrow, partly cloudy. It'll be colder, near 40. Snow breaks out probably early afternoon on Saturday. It's cold, low 30s. Snow could be heavy at times late Saturday. It may mix with a change to rain in Boston at night for a time. I'm just not sure. A better chance of that happening in southeastern Massachusetts. The storm will end late at night. Sunday, variable clouds, windy and cold. Temperatures staying in the 20s, teens at night. Monday, partly cloudy and cold. It'll be 37. There'll be another storm of either snow or snow changing to rain on Tuesday. So we have a lot to follow. Of course, we'll be around. We'll keep you posted. And if you're driving in your car, you can turn on Easy 99.1 FM and you can check out my latest weather forecast any time of day, every day. Great station, great music, and great people down there. All right, now, tomorrow night is Saturday night. We're doing karaoke at Ray's New Garden Restaurant with Joanne. Actually, no, tomorrow's Friday night, Mark. No, I beg your pardon. So Saturday night, I'm getting ahead of myself. Saturday night, we're at Ray's New Garden Restaurant with Joanne and Jethro Mills. And tonight, we're actually at, see, I get weather on the break. So let's do this again. Tonight, really? This is why I'm not in McLean's yet. Tonight, we are at Ray's New Garden Restaurant with Joanne and Jethro Mills. I have my days mixed up. And Saturday, too. Both times start at 8:30. It must be 5 o'clock martini time somewhere. That's it for me. I'll see you later. I'm Mark Rosenthal. Isn't ADD a bitch?